Okay, today I can use the formula for the volume of a cylinder and cone to solve problems. So you are going to have a mixed practice today on volume of cylinders and cones, and you also are going to have some spiral. So make sure you're opening your math purple notebook. Make sure you're logging on to Google Classroom. I am going to remind you of just a couple of things really quickly, and then you're on your own. Remember that a cone has a different formula than a cylinder. If you do not remember, then I would suggest you look up your notes. Okay, you need to get your mathematics chart out. Make sure you have your mathematics chart out. I'm going to point out that we are using the circle for our big B, and that your cylinder formula is here, and the volume of a cone is here. I'm not going to work any of these problems today. I don't feel that that is to your benefit. Make sure you're watching for diameter versus radius. And then you have spiral. I would be making sure that these spirals are correct. And I am going to say something. You all are still struggling with these topics, all right, which are transformations. So we do have a pink reference chart on dilations. So if you need some help, there's that. I will remind you that for perimeter and area, when you are doing dimensional change, I will give you this hint on number 11. If it is perimeter, you take the old perimeter, multiply it times the scale factor, and you get the new area, new perimeter. Or the new perimeter will be whatever the scale factor is times larger than the old perimeter. Okay? So that's a better way to say it, because that's how they ask the question. The area, you have to take the old area and multiply it times the scale factor squared to find the new area. Or another way to say that is the new area will be the scale factor squared times larger. Okay? For some reason, we are having a problem with that. Remember, when you do a dilation, number 12, you are always multiplying. Here, all you need to do, which one is new, which one is old, and then multiply by a scale factor that's greater than 1, or multiply by a scale factor that's less than 1, depending on which way your figure went. Okay? We talk about angles and sides. We've been over that and over that. Here's a translation. 2 to the left, 5 up. Here is a 360-degree rotation. I hope you all remember that one by now. This is reflected over the y. Change the, okay, you all should know that by now. And all of these need to be put into what? I hope you said y1 and y2, and then do your steps. And those steps are on either your orange or yellow reference card on the back side of it. So if you don't know those steps yet, there it is. It's even in there on how to set your windows. We're getting down to the end. I hope we know these. It says round to the nearest hundredth, round to the nearest tenth. So that means if you don't round to the nearest hundredth or the tenth, I will be marking those wrong, okay? That's all I have to say for today. It's very short and sweet. Please get your work done and have a great day.